So we don't want to give away all our secrets, but we have specific things that each technician will diagnose on a garage door, starting with your opener, your rollers, your springs, your cables. Are your hinges in good shape? How's the torsion tube looking? How's the center bearing and the end bearings looking? All those things are metal parts that shave and move, and over time those things wear out. So that's what we want to make sure that if we make recommendations, we're gonna fix this the right way.